at the bell house. Well, if Sister jumped up, she began to shout. Well, this sister jumped up, she began to shout. Sounds so bad, this corn liquor's going out. Well, one deacon jumped up, said, Sister, why don't you hush? Well, one deacon jumped up, said, Sister, why don't you hush? Said, oh, you know you drinks corn liquor, girl, your lines are horrible stuff. Well, this other sister jumped up, she began to shout. Well, this other sister jumped up, she began to shout. She said, oh, I believe I know what it's all about. Well, and I was in the pulpit, jumping up and down. Well, then I was in the pulpit, jumping up and down. All my sisters in the corner, howling, woo, Alabama. Come on, give me religion. Join the Baptist church. Come on, give me religion. Join the Baptist church. I'm gonna be a Baptist preacher, and I don't have to worry. Listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Said you're one day here and the next day gone. Come around here looking for all you can take. Moving me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, I'm chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. a bottle shine so bright. Seen you, baby, just the other night. I said, I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman and learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here and the next day gone. One day here and the next day gone.
So this is day 3 of bodywork on the door, passenger door. I want to say we're getting close, but you know, it's one of those things. But I thought I'd start with what we're using here. So this one bends, right? So we can contour it to the door. And I like the hook and loop. I'm a hook it guy, right? So there's sticky back and there's hook and loop. I'm not going to debate the differences of which one is better. All I can say is this is 220. And if I want to switch it to 80, I'm done. It's that easy. If it's sticky back, then you got to rip it off. It tears. You got to clean this surface to get the goop off and then put your new stuff on. And then this one's pretty much not usable anymore. So you fold it up and then you use it as little pieces. But, you know, so we got stiff ones. We got bendable ones. This one's not as flexible as you think it is, but it's still pretty flexy. This one's supposed to be stiff, but it's still kind of flexy. So last night when we cut it off, I sprayed some schmutz on here, and then we'll just go over and see how we're doing. Somewhere. Oh, fuck! Ah, fuck! Oh. There was a cold front. It's 46 degrees in here right now. So you hear the heater in the background. And I got on a couple of layers, but we'll get it done. Let's just see what's going on here. I think I can live with that. This stuff, I probably put it in the wrong place. So I'm gonna work over here. I got a piece here, here. This stuff, not too bad. But this piece is almost tied into this piece. And it's low right here.